Hey folks, it's me, M64 Bros, and today we're going to react to the Cat in a Hat official trailer, and from the looks of it, it has a lot of positivity, 604 dislikes, and from the looks of it, Mike Myers, Bill Hader, at least it's animated this time, so we're going to see what this trailer has to offer, so here goes nothing. Alright, WB, let's see what you've cooked. Love the logo. In 2026.
The vibe that you probably shouldn't be opening this.
What makes you say that?
That.
What?
Do not open.
Come on, that's just a suggestion.
Stop. Stop it. No. Don't!
What's it gonna be?
Welcome back to the Institution of Imagination and Inspiration, LLC.
Hey, crap with a crap. Taking a wig. Hi, bug in a mug. Yak with a pack. Ron.
I think the cat lost 3 giraffes on his last mission.
Actually, it was 5. Today is gonna be the best day ever. Go to the montage. Let's light it up. Cat? Cat in the Hat.
You have gone too far.
Did you say toot fart?
I did not. I said too far.
Toot fart?
Too far.
I heard toot fart again. So, I'm just gonna leave some things here. Okay, bye.
Things. Wow. Okay. I love the cel-shaded animation to 3D animation. I think this might be good. 50-50 chance it could be good, 50% could be bad, but hey, who knows? Other than that, hope you guys like this video, subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next video, so peace out.